If you're new here, welcome back. If you're old, but goodie, big up yourself. So today's more like of a cleaning day. I'm still gonna continue my declutter from yesterday, but I'm gonna full up some clothes first and do some little things, and then yeah, my foot clean, and then after that, time for wash. Today's hair wash day, not my hair though, but yeah, gotta get that out of the way. Not sure if you can hear me, but now I did go to the pool. I'm home, and I'm just going to go ahead and pull out Autumn's hair now while I dry my hair. Yes, I never did want to go, but I end up going anyways because I didn't need to go. So I'll just do this, pull out our hair so I can, well, I'm not gonna wash it tonight, wash it tomorrow and comb it. That's the plan. Today is also, other than that, I want to know, like, I got some, well, not new, they've been by a long time, and I'm like, since we're in the holiday season, we're gonna go ahead and change the sheet. We always change the sheet, but I'm gonna put on like some Christmas sheet, holiday season sheet. So I was like, let me just open this. And anybody else do that? Like, I have to wash it before I put it on the bed. So I'm gonna open this, it's in the laundry, and wash it, put it up on the bed. They feel so good. Like, if you look for good quality sheet that don't cost too much, this one is good. Luxury Hotel. Yeah, them sheets are feel good. 600 thread count. Feel nice and soft. I like it. I better do it. I'll take it out, wash it, and then put it on the bed. Or wash it dry and put it on the bed. Yeah. Okay, so I'm in my closet now. I'm not gonna declutter. I'm kind of organize this just a little bit to make it look more presentable, and then take out what I don't want. I probably do want these stuff too, but I just need to organize it, make it look a little bit decent, you know. Okay, now that's all that's over the way, I'm going to go ahead and like restock my pads, stationery items, kind of stock them in because it's empty right now. So if I go replenish all of that, I haven't even put them back into the box. I've just been taking them out of the box. So let's go put them in their containers. Notice how I'm restocking because it's empty and not just because. Good morning. It's another another day, another dollar. So if you're new here, welcome back. If you're old, goodie, big up yourself. Anyways, so today I'm gonna start off the day, and I planned not to swim today. I was like, okay, I'm gonna take a break this week, or probably just today. And my son is sick, so he's sick. Usually I'm just send him go to school because you're not sick. Because now, and that's why I know say it always work, because now him feel better and the bus gone already, and I'm just, well, him not feel better, but him could have survived at school, but he's already home, so we're just gonna keep him home today just to make sure everything is cleared out and he'll have a better day tomorrow. But I'm going to drop off now, and I plan to film a video today. I'm not going to be able to film it because I prefer to film outside, so bring him back home, and I'll just use this time to, I have some more decluttering and cleaning to do, but before I do that, I'm gonna do some editing, so I'm gonna have some videos stacked up, and then I could record some more I guess decluttering. Maybe I'll clean up the room, we'll see. Yeah, I'll see you soon. Okay, so it's 12:30 lunchtime. I didn't swim today, as I was mentioning earlier. I didn't want to swim. I'm very late in the mood. I feel like I should take a big break, so it just happened to, like, I think I mentioned earlier, hey Jane, I feel good, so I was like, all right, I'm home today. And actually I eat food at 12:30. Usually I'm gonna wait till later, but it is what it is, and I'm a favorite, so I'm gonna eat it. Okay guys, so I did come back home. I did, but I did a cleaning just to give him some medicine and thing, and instead of recording my video, because I have 2 sit-down videos to film, and me that edit a video for tonight, but it's like 5 minutes, there's nothing more we can put in there. So I was like, do I even want to put this out? Probably will, probably won't. So I was just like, let me use this to script 2 of my sit down videos. Not really script, I just put some bullet points so I can remember what to say, and these 2 should be good. I hope, hopefully they are. So I'm gonna do them tomorrow and get that out of the way. So now it's like after 2, and I'm gonna just fold up some clothes and wind down for the day. Okay, you can go in the room later. What time is it? 10:14. I wonder if it's too late for you to go to school. Do you still want to go to school? Do you want to go to school?
Yes. I don't.
All right. Okay, so before I just went to Walmart. I'm home now, and of course I'm gonna go to Walmart to get syrup, and I was like going through the clearance section as usual, because I always go through it, and I found something, so I'm gonna try it on and see how it fit me. Yeah, see how that works. And it seemed like this set is you know when them always in the back and never bring it out. I think that happened with this, because these were out of stock long time ago, like seasons ago. So let's see.
I thought about doing school at home.
It don't look tree bad, but honestly, it's worth the sale price, not the original price. I will say that. I don't like that part, yeah. I don't like that, but it definitely worth the sale price. And it's very cozy. Yeah, I like this. But what we can tell about them clothes here, when it just have really a fly away like lint. And that me that try to avoid, but look up out on my belly. I don't know if I'm gonna rinse this or what, but it's very linty, dusty.